Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the topic nouns. Once we have done, bache, but we have to repeat it. Nouns. What are nouns? Simple question is arising in our mind whenever we are doing nouns. What are nouns? Naming words are called nouns. What are nouns? Naming words are called nouns. Naming word, this name, it can be the name of person, animal, place or thing. See around you. I am watching my see. What is this? Remote. It is a noun. Any what it is? It is a notebook. Noun. What is it? These are pens. These are also nouns. The name of each and everything which we are using, beta, that all are nouns. All which thing is having name, all are nouns. Naming words are called noun. It can be name of thing, place, animal or person. These are called nouns. Let's start up. Now we are using some nouns. As one sentence is given to us, we are going to do now underline the nouns. Now one sentence will give to us in which we have to find out the nouns. His book and pencil are on the table. Now find out which are the naming words. His book and pencil are on the table. Book, naming word. Pencil, naming word. After that, this is naming word. These are the name of the things. These are nouns. Now take the second sentence. The cow and the horse are in the field. The cow, it is a name of an animal, and the horse, we have to underline the horse also because it is a name of an animal, and are in the field. We have to underline the field also just because of it is a name of a place. Number 3, the moon and the stars shine in the sky at night. The moon and the stars shine in the sky at night. Now find out the noun. Moon is a name of and the stars. These both are the name of the heavenly bodies. Shine in the sky at night. These all are the naming words. Now the fourth sentence we will take. The little boy ate all the chocolates. Yes, now which are the little, but little we have no, little boy. Boy is a noun. Ate all the chocolates. Chocolate is also name of one thing. So boy and chocolates are the nouns. Now fifth sentence we are going to take. We get cream and butter from the milk. We get cream and butter from the milk. Now which are the? Cream is a naming word. Butter is also a naming word. And milk is also a naming word, the name of the thing. Now I was thinking you have to clear the topic nouns, and we have to do it as a underline the nouns. Now we are going to take the second topic. Today's second topic is make plurals. Make plurals, as you have done earlier also. Make plurals. Make plurals. What is mean by plurals? To it's we have to call the singular plural also. Singular plural. What does mean by singular? Singular means to say one. We can say one thing. And whenever more than one, that is becoming the plural. That is many. More than one. That is plural. As dog. Dog, plural become dogs. As will become cat. Cats. Fan. Fans. S. We are using S after that to make it plural. Book. Books. Right? This you have done in the UKG also. But one more new concept is with us. That is ES. We are using some places ES at the end on the space of S. We are using the S. If the noun ends with SH, CH, O, X, S or double S. If the noun ends with these words, so we have to use ES at the back. As class, classes. Double S is used at the end, so ES we have to use. Bus, buses. BUSES, buses. Brush, SH is used. Brushes. Tax, taxis. Because of at the end with the X. Dress, dresses. Mango, mangoes. Why ES we are using? Because of O at the end is there. As like it, box, boxes. Dish, dishes. Like this we have to use. As we have to done, first of all we have to done SH. At the end SH comes, so we have to use dishes. CH word is me. As it is church. CHURCH, church. Churches. ES is coming because of CH is there. CH at the end, so churches. Next O, mango, mangoes we are using. X, tax, taxes. S is there, double S is there. Class, classes. Bus, buses. Brush, brushes. Dress, dresses. Box, boxes. You have to check at the end word, then we have to put the ES. Thank you. Have a nice day.